Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make salt water taffy without corn syrup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and your chosen flavorings. Preparing your workspace is crucial. Butter a large baking sheet or marble slab thoroughly. This prevents sticking later. A good quality, heavy-bottomed saucepan will help maintain even heat and prevent your sugar mixture from burning. Now let's get cooking. Combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in your heavy saucepan. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves, then stop stirring completely. Heat the mixture over medium-high heat using a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature. You're aiming for exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it hits this mark, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in your desired flavorings and food coloring. Once your flavored mixture is ready, carefully pour it onto your prepared buttered surface. Let it cool undisturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. The edges will cool faster, so you can start working with those first. When it's cool enough to handle comfortably, but still warm and pliable, begin pulling. Stretch and fold the taffy repeatedly, incorporating air. This process develops its characteristic chewiness and makes it opaque, usually taking about 10 to 15 minutes. After pulling, stretch your taffy into a long, uniform rope, about 1/2 inch in diameter. Use buttered scissors to cut the rope into individual 1-inch pieces. Wrap each piece tightly in wax paper or parchment paper to prevent sticking and keep it fresh. Store your delicious homemade salt water taffy in an airtight container at room temperature. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.